Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Benazir Hakro, the student of the Department of Business Administration from Sindh University campus Larkana. This is the public awareness message supervised by Mr. Sartaj Ahmed Sanghi. The coronavirus, which causes COVID-19, originated in city of Wuhan in China. COVID-19 is believed to be transmitted primarily by inhalation. Once infected, most people experience mild symptoms included sore throat, headache, fever, dry cough, shortness of breath and fatigue. However, in substations, the virus attacks the lungs, causing much more serious infections. Small air sacs in lungs called alveoli, which exchange the oxygen with the blood. This oxygen enters the tissues and throughout the body. When coronavirus attacks the cells, it becomes to replicate within the cell. The body's immune system attempts to destroy the virus, which results the inflammatory response. They cause the fluid accumulates in the lungs, as well as the body oxygen decreases, which can lead you to organic injury or even death. The risk of seizures complications increase if a person is elderly or has subsidiary medical condition. Once infected, a person may show no symptoms, but still you can infect the other. From begin in Wuhan, this pandemic spread throughout the world. Social distancing is recommended to prevent the inadvertent spread of COVID-19 for your own better life. How to protect from coronavirus? Number 1. Wash your hands more than at least 30 seconds. Clean your hands just like your palm, back of hands, around the nails, in between the fingers, wrist and your thumb with the soap and water. After washing hands, use tissue and put into your dustbin. If you have no water or soap, then use the sanitizers. Number 2 is avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Through this, virus can be entered into your body. 3rd is catching coughs and sneezes. When you sneeze or cough, catch with clean tissue and throw it in dustbin. Packed tissues are better than use dirty towel. If you have no tissue, catch your sneeze in your center elbow. Avoid shaking hands, just say hello. Don't touch surfaces, handles, left buttons. Avoid contact with patients. In fact, get advice from doctors if you have these kind of symptoms. You can call the doctor urgently. Coronavirus arrives in any country sooner or later. There is no doubt that many countries do not have a diagnostic kits or equipments. Please use as much natural vitamin C as possible to strengthen the immune system. Don't worry, it is a simple virus that you can get rid of. Unfortunately, the virus does not have a currently specific vaccine and treatment because of the genetic mutation that made it very dangerous. This disease appears to be caused by the gene fusion in a snake and bat and has gained the ability to infect the mammals, including humans. It is important to keep calm and convey this message. Please be safe and stay at home.
Stay at home. खुद सेल्फ क्वारंटाइन करें, घर में रहें। इंशाल्लाह उस तरह जिस तरह चाइना निकला है इस मुश्किल वक्त से हम भी निकल जाएंगे। इंशाल्लाह 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 इंशाल्लाह।